Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. It's a very rainy Friday afternoon. You know I post these on Tuesday, but I gotta get out and do them in advance. I am at a place that I've never been before, recommended by a coworker, called Out and About Burger. So I got the double burger with bacon, and then of course the sweet potato fries, which are my favorite. Oh man. What's man, I'm hungry too, so let's give you a look at it before I get too involved. Alright, here we go. Sweet potato fries, personal favorite. Yum. And then the burger. Even though I got the sweet potato fries, I asked for the sauce anyway. So let's give this burger a try. Yeah, I'm hungry. Alrighty. Now I'm told that this place is comparable in flavor to In-N-Out, which I actually have been to. I drove all the way down to Oregon last Sunday when they got some In-N-Out. I didn't film it because it's a chain, but also we ate inside, so I was down there with a friend. So let's make sure I ask for no onion. There's the burger. I'll do another close-up bite. I want the lettuce because from the photos it looked like the lettuce was in like nice big pieces, which it is. Let's get a bite. Oh man. Dude. That's a good damn burger, man, tell you what. Wow. Really good. Let's give you a close up. Double burger, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and of course the sweet potato fries, which I'm excited about. Well, I'm gonna focus on eating, and I'll bring you back. And I'll tell you what, I've enjoyed this burger very much. What a night and day difference between shredding the lettuce and just putting nice pieces on there. I mean, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but the enjoyment level is just 10 it's just 10 times better. Well, I'll tell you what. Yeah, I noticed when I was looking around, they didn't give me any napkins, which is why I always keep some in my center console right here. Anytime I go out to eat, or I always, you know, if I have, even if it's just one or two, I'll just throw them in the center. I mean, I've probably got a pile like that of just napkins in there. Because, you know, if I'm driving down the road and I sneeze, and I'm going to sneeze, or I need to wipe my face or wipe my mouth, I can just reach over, grab one, you know, clean up. Or in times like this when I come to eat somewhere and I get my food and there's no napkins, I can just dig some out of the console and I'm good to go. Because it dripped a little bit, so I'm still working on my fries, my sweet potato fries, which are excellent. Oh, I gotta try the sauce too. I may go ahead and dip it into the it smells just like the mayo ketchup that I encounter a lot. It tastes just like it too. Not that it's bad. But Red Mill still is, you know, gee, thanks. Red Mill is still way out and ahead as far as sauces go. I think they're still, I still think they're leading the pack as far as burgers, because I was asked how In-N-Out compared to Red Mill. I still gave it to Red Mill. Maybe I'm just biased. But I'm going to try to get the menu as I'm leaving here. It's raining, so I might have to do it online. But I need to get a picture of the place too. But I might have to grab that offline too. It's a very rainy day today. Which is good because we've had forest fires around and now we're finally getting some rain. Water the plants, put out the fires. So, I'm not complaining. The rain I'm talking about. It's coming down pretty good. I'm like basically sitting right next to a U-Haul, and their burger place is right here. It's just a little truck or a trailer. So, there we go. Okay, so the final verdict. Really good. Yeah, I'll be back. They had a really good burger. Solid, tasty, juicy. A little drippy, but that's why I got napkins. Basically gonna head straight home now and spend the rest of the day relaxing. So have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week and have yourselves a fantastic day.